Oats have long been celebrated as a cornerstone of a healthy breakfast, often praised for their heart-healthy benefits and versatility. However, in recent years, oats have found themselves at the center of a heated debate. While there's strong evidence supporting their health benefits, concerns about blood sugar spikes, processing methods, and even pesticide residues have left many wondering whether oats are still a healthy choice. To understand the full picture, it's important to delve into the science behind oats, their impact on our health, and how to enjoy them in a way that maximizes their benefits while minimizing potential downsides. Oats are a type of whole grain derived from the oat plant, Avena sativa. Like other grains, oats are composed of three main parts: the bran, the endosperm, and the germ. The bran is the outer layer rich in fiber, the endosperm is the starchy middle layer, and the germ is the nutrient-packed core. Oats are unique because they contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which is responsible for many of their health benefits. However, not all oats are created equal. The way oats are processed significantly impacts their nutritional value and how they affect our bodies. Steel-cut oats, for example, are the least processed form. The whole oat groats, or inner kernel, are simply chopped into smaller pieces. They take the longest to cook, usually around 20 to 30 minutes, and have a chewy texture. Because they're minimally processed, they retain more of their natural structure, which slows down digestion and leads to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. Rolled oats, also known as old-fashioned oats, are steamed and then rolled flat, which reduces cooking time to about 10 to 15 minutes. They're more processed than steel-cut oats but still retain much of their fiber and nutrients. Instant oats, on the other hand, are the most processed form. They're pre-cooked, dried, and rolled very thin, making them quick to prepare, often in just a few minutes. However, this processing breaks down the oat's natural structure, making it easier for the body to digest and leading to faster spikes in blood sugar. Flour, which is oats ground into a fine powder, is used in baking and cooking. While oat flour retains some of the fiber and nutrients, its finely ground texture means it's digested more quickly, similar to instant oats. The health benefits of oats are well documented, particularly when it comes to heart health and cholesterol reduction. One of the most significant benefits is their ability to lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol. This is largely due to their high content of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in the gut. This gel binds to cholesterol and prevents it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Research supports this. A meta-analysis of 58 clinical trials found that consuming 3 grams of beta-glucan per day, the amount in about 1.5 cups of cooked oats, can reduce LDL cholesterol by 5 to 7%. Both the FDA and the European Food Safety Authority have approved health claims stating that beta-glucan from oats can reduce cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Oats also play a role in blood sugar control. While they are a carbohydrate-rich food, their high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, helps slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This can prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar levels, making oats a good choice for people with type 2 diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed oats had better insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels compared to those who ate refined grains. However, the type of oats matters. Instant oats, which are more processed, can cause faster blood sugar spikes compared to steel-cut or rolled oats. Weight management is another area where oats shine. They are a filling and satisfying breakfast option, thanks to their high fiber and protein content. The beta-glucan in oats increases the viscosity of food in the stomach, which slows digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that participants who ate oatmeal for breakfast felt fuller and consumed fewer calories at lunch compared to those who ate a ready-to-eat cereal. Oats also contribute to gut health. The fiber in oats acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, immune function, and even mental health. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming oats increased the abundance of beneficial gut bacteria, such as bifidobacterium and lactobacillus. Despite these benefits, oats are not without their downsides. One of the biggest concerns is their impact on blood sugar levels, particularly when it comes to highly processed varieties like instant oats. When you eat instant oats, the finely ground texture and pre-cooking process make it easier for your body to break down the carbohydrates into glucose. This can lead to a rapid rise in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash a few hours later. In a live experiment, a participant who ate a bowl of instant oats experienced a blood sugar spike of 11.1 millimoles per liter, a very high level, while another who ate steel-cut oats with added nuts and seeds had a much more moderate rise to 8.4 millimoles per liter. Consistently high blood sugar spikes can increase the risk of insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and obesity over time. The more processed the oats, the faster they're digested and the higher the blood sugar spike. Steel-cut oats, with their intact structure, take longer to break down, leading to a slower and more stable release of glucose. On the other hand, instant oats are essentially pre-digested, making them more like a sugary cereal than a whole grain. Another concern surrounding oats is the potential presence of glyphosate, a herbicide commonly used in agriculture. Glyphosate is often sprayed on oats to dry them out before harvesting, and traces of it can remain in the final product. Glyphosate has been classified as a probable carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, based on animal studies. However, the levels found in oats are generally well below the safety limits set by regulatory agencies. Choosing organic oats can reduce your exposure to glyphosate, as organic farming prohibits the use of synthetic pesticides. Oat milk has surged in popularity as a plant-based alternative to dairy, but is it as healthy as it seems? Milk contains beta-glucan, which can help lower cholesterol, but most commercial oat milks are highly processed, with added sugars, stabilizers, and oils. The oats are often broken down into simple sugars, leading to a high glycemic index. While oat milk can be a good option for those avoiding dairy, it's not necessarily healthier than cow's milk. If you choose oat milk, opt for unsweetened varieties with minimal additives. To enjoy oats in the healthiest way possible, it's important to choose less processed varieties like steel-cut or rolled oats instead of instant oats. Pairing your oats with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, or nut butter can slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Watching your portions is also key. Sticking to a serving size of about 40 to 50 grams of dry oats, roughly half a cup, can help avoid excessive calorie intake and blood sugar spikes. Possible, choose organic oats to reduce your exposure to glyphosate and other pesticides. For those who find that oats don't work for them, alternatives like chia seed pudding or quinoa porridge can offer similar health benefits without the blood sugar roller coaster. In conclusion, oats are a nutritious and versatile food that can be part of a healthy diet, but not all oats are created equal. Choosing less processed varieties like steel-cut or rolled oats and pairing them with protein and healthy fats can help you enjoy their benefits without the blood sugar roller coaster. While concerns about pesticides and processing are valid, the overall evidence suggests that oats are a healthy choice for most people, when consumed in the right way. So, are oats still the breakfast of champions? The answer is yes, but only if you choose wisely and prepare them in a way that supports your health.